Hey folks, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be looking at question 184, department highest salary. The way we'll be approaching this problem is by actually breaking up the solution into two subqueries. So let's get started. Alright, so at a minimum, this is what we need, right? So we need select department ID, and we need a max of salary from the table employee from employee, and you group by the department ID. So basically, what are you doing in the subquery? What we're doing in the subquery is that we're just getting the department ID and the max salary that we see when we group all of the records that we see in the table employee by a department ID. So when we have this, we have two things, right? We have the department ID and the max salary, but we need other things. So how do we do that? So let's say we select the other things, right? Select what are the things that we need? We need name. The IDs for no, not the IDs. Okay, yeah. So we need so we're pulling it from two tables. So let's name the tables first, so that we can know where to pull the columns from. So department, let's call it D, and employee E. So you're pulling the name from the first thing we actually need is department. So let's call it D dot name as department, right? Because that's the name of the column that we see right here in the output, department, and then E dot name as employee. So we're pulling the name of the employee from the employee table, and the other thing that we need is E dot salary in as salary. So we basically have the names of the columns and rename to what they are and from what table they're pulling from. So since they're two different tables, we actually need to join them, right? So basically what we do is department dot ID equals E dot department ID. Right? So we have these two pieces. We know we need, these are the things that we care about, and we need that in the display, but it should be in this table. So basically the last condition that you need is and department ID E dot department ID and E dot salary in, and you're basically looking at the subtable to check which values actually make sense to us. So let's actually go through all of it to make sure that we understand, right? So what we did is we actually created a subquery here where we are getting the max salary for every given department, and then we're telling look at these two tables and basically join where both of them have the ID, the department ID, and the department ID that we see in the employee table to be the same. And then that row, like a given row that we're looking at, should be in this table that we created. So like a subquery that we created. So let's try running this and see if this works. The first test case is okay. Everything else is okay as well. Awesome. So if you have any questions about this problem, please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. I would really appreciate that. It definitely keeps me motivated to make more videos. Thanks so much, and I'll see you folks in the next video. Peace.